In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store. Whether you're setting up your online presence for the first time or simply updating your current layout, this guide will walk you through the customization process with ease and precision. To start, you'll first need to open your web browser and navigate to the Shopify website. Once you've arrived at the Shopify platform, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Shopify dashboard, which is the main control center for managing your online store. Here, you'll be able to access all the tools and settings to tailor your shop to your liking. Next, focus on the sidebar on the left-hand side of your dashboard and look for the Online Store option. Click on this, and you'll be directed to a page that displays a variety of themes and design options. For this tutorial, we'll focus on customizing your existing theme. To do this, simply click on the Customize button next to your active theme. This will open the theme editor, which is where the magic happens. Once you're in the theme editor, navigate to the settings at the sidebar and select Logo and Favicon. This section is particularly important as it allows you to personalize your shop's branding. You'll notice a slider next to an option labeled Width. This slider lets you adjust the size of your logo to fit perfectly within your site's design. Carefully drag the slider left or right to either increase or decrease the width of your logo. A tip here is to maintain a balance between visibility and aesthetics. Make sure your logo is large enough to be easily recognized, but not so large that it overwhelms other important elements on the page. After adjusting your logo and favicon settings, take a moment to preview how these changes will look on both desktop and mobile versions. This is crucial because you want your store to appear just right, regardless of the device your customers are using. If you're satisfied with your adjustments, remember to save your changes by clicking on the Save button located at the top right corner of the editor. This ensures all the customization efforts you've put in are applied and viewable live on your store. And that's it. You've customized your Shopify store, adjusted your logo, and now you're ready to let your brand shine online. This process not only helps in maintaining the professional appearance of your site, but also plays a significant role in building brand recognition and customer trust. If you have any additional customization needs, feel free to explore other settings within the Shopify editor to make the most out of your online store's potential. Happy selling!